Grow eyelashes naturally. Vertical bar home remedies. Who doesn't want their lashes to be longer and fuller? Unfortunately, wearing false lashes on a daily basis may be both time-consuming and pricey. When it comes to lashes, the ideal circumstance is for your natural lashes to be long and voluminous. There are lash serums on the market that claim to speed up eyelash development. However, most of them are either fully chemical-based or reviewers claim to have seen no benefits despite using them for a long time. Follow these simple home remedies and recommendations to get thicker, fuller lashes without spending a fortune. 1. When washing your eyes and lashes, be gentle. Instead of wiping your makeup off forcefully, gently massage coconut oil into your eyes and lashes, then blot the oil and makeup with a cotton pad. Not only will your makeup be removed, but you will also hydrate the region. 2. Avoid using eye makeup on a daily basis. Makeup and mascara can cause your lashes to dry out and irritate your eyes. Waterproof mascara is especially harmful since it takes more effort to remove. Rubbing and tugging on your lashes can damage or even cause them to fall out. 3. Massage your eyes. Massage your eyelids gently with or without oil, such as coconut oil, to encourage eyelash development and, if using oil, to nourish your eyes and lashes. 4. Apply a warm compress to your upper and lower eyelids. A warm compress can help to unclog pores and clean your eyes and lash lines thoroughly. 5. Apply oils for hair growth. Apply the oil on your eyelashes using a spoolie or your fingertips. Castor oil, cedarwood oil, coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, and Moroccan argan oil are all excellent for hair repair and growth. 6. Drink green tea. Green tea consumption is good for your overall health. Green tea's flavonoids can assist to promote eyelash development. 7. Apply aloe vera. Apply aloe vera to your lashes using a spoolie before going to bed. Allow it to sit overnight before rinsing it out in the morning. Aloe vera gel will aid in the development and strengthening of your eyelashes. 8. Eat garlic and onion. Onion and garlic can help you grow longer lashes. It has been scientifically established that eating onion and garlic will help you grow your hair faster. 9. Use petroleum jelly. Apply petroleum jelly to your lashes with a spoolie before going to bed. In the morning, wash off the petroleum jelly with a face cleaner. The petroleum jelly protects your lashes from breaking off and falling out prematurely by moisturizing them. The conditioning qualities will enable each eyelash cycle to last longer, resulting in fuller, longer lashes. 10. Use lemon peels. Olive oil moisturizes, protects, and lengthens lashes. Lemon peels contain antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. To make your own all-natural eyelash serum, soak your lemon peels in olive oils for a few days. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.